Good morning, children. Welcome to the next session of online physical science 10th class from first chapter. So let us try to learn magnification of convex mirror through this video class. In the previous classes we have learnt about magnification formula. In this video we will try to learn the magnification of convex mirror. Okay children, now let us find the magnification of convex mirror. The formula is m is equal to hi by ho. Hi is the height of the image, ho is the height of the object. In case of convex mirror, we have to remember 2 points, children. First one is, image size is always smaller than the object size. That is in case of convex mirror. Image size or height of the image, hi, is always smaller than the object size. That means height of the object, ho. Hi is always smaller than ho. So, we can write hi less than ho. Why the image size is smaller than the object size? Okay, to understand about this, height of the image is why it is smaller than the height of the object. To know more about, you can watch my previous videos where part 6 I have explained about the ray diagrams of convex mirror, where I have explained about this. Okay, that is the first point to be remembered, that hi is less than ho. And second thing is, always in case of convex mirrors, always virtual image is formed. Virtual image means it will be lying above the principal axis and it will not be caught on a paper or on a screen. Virtual image cannot be caught on a paper or screen, and virtual images generally they will be erect. Erect in the sense they will be formed above the principal axis. Whenever the image is formed above the principal axis, we have to take its value as plus. Okay, positive quantity lo తీసుకోవాలి. Virtual image is formed. Hence, based on these 2 points, we can write the formula, magnification formula for convex mirror as m is equal to plus hi by plus ho. Plus here hi, height of the image is positive, and ho, object height is also positive. Both of them are in the positive quantity here. Why? Because image and object both will be lying above the principal axis only. Always hi is less than ho according to the first point. Hence we can write magnification will be less than plus 1 and magnification may be more than 0. Okay, it may be less than plus 1 or greater than 0. 0 less than magnification m less than plus 1. Okay children, so 0 less than m less than plus 1. Here plus indicates the virtual image. Why we are writing here plus means, I have already explained you, plus in the sense the image will be lying above the principal axis and it is erect image, hence we are taking the value as positive quantity. Magnification is greater than 0 and less than 1 in case of convex mirror. Similarly, we can calculate the magnification in case of concave mirror for all object positions. Okay, wherever the object is placed in front of the concave mirror, for each and every position of the object, we can calculate the magnification for concave mirror also. For example, let us find the magnification due to concave mirror when object is at the center of curvature. If you want to know the magnification due to concave mirror when the object is at C in the sense at the center of curvature. When the object is placed upon the center of curvature, its image will also be formed at the same point C. Hence, the object will be lying above the principal axis and the image will be lying below the principal axis, and the height of the object is equal to height of the image. When the image is formed at the center of curvature, the sizes are same. Here I have represented size of the image is equal to size of the object. Or we can also write it as hi is equal to ho. Okay, both heights are same. Hi is equal to ho. And it is a real image. Therefore, image is below the principal axis when the object is above the principal axis. Image is below the principal axis. According to the sign convention rules, m is equal to minus hi by ho. Why we need to take minus hi, children? Here minus indicates the image will be lying below the principal axis. Whenever the image is lying below the principal axis, we have to take it as minus quantity according to the sign convention rules. So m is equal to minus hi by ho. So hi and ho are equal, as we already know that hi and ho are equal in size. Height of the image is equal to height of the object. Both of them are equal. Since hi is equal to ho, both of them will be getting cancelled, and so m is equal to minus 1. There remains only minus 1. Okay, minus value remains like that only, and here minus indicates the real image and 1 indicates that size of the image is as same as the size of the object. And similarly, you can also try to find out magnification due to concave mirror for the remaining positions of the object. Okay children, here this is the m is equal to -1. We are getting magnification value as -1 when the object is placed at the center of curvature of the concave mirror. Minus indicates that it is real image, and 1 indicates that size of the image is equal to size of the object. Okay children, these are the today's important topics. Magnification of convex mirror. See children, here try to understand what is the meaning of plus and minus and what is the meaning of 1. Okay children, thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next session.